The AI narrative on Sui continues to gain momentum, specifically with agents, DAOs, and DeFiAI. So we're going to cover some new projects in this video, as well as update you on new developments with some projects we've talked about in past videos. At the end, we'll jump on Raiden X and go through the process of buying a new AI agent that I like. Before we begin, please note nothing I say is financial advice. This is for education, entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. So we're going to start with Sui AI, which is the top AI agent launchpad right now on Sui. We've covered this in past videos, and a lot has been going on. Today, they announced an AI agent incubator program, which you can read through here. Yesterday, they announced integration with Sui Wallet, which is a popular Sui network wallet, and I think they did that mainly based on feedback on this news here, introducing the staking feature. We're excited to announce that the staking feature is officially live. Plus, AI XDG agent is the first agent to join. Now you can stake your Sui AI, and again, the ticker is SUAI. There's been some confusion about that because there is a ticker that is SUIAI, so make sure you have the right one, SUAI. Stake your Sui AI tokens and earn tokens from other projects completely for free. Goes on to say this is a huge milestone enhancing the utilities of Sui AI tokens, bringing even more value to our community. So if we go out to the platform, which is SuiAI.fun, and you go to staking, you'll see AI XDG pool is now live. You could stake your Sui AI and earn AI XDG tokens. My understanding is that other AI agent projects can participate, and you could stake your Sui AI and earn those tokens. That's kind of interesting. Taking a quick look at the chart for Sui AI, you can see it ran all the way up to around 65 million market cap last week, pulled back a little bit, but seems to be bouncing back now around 32 million market cap, and the volume continues to be pretty strong compared to all other tokens in the Sui ecosystem. Also, if you check this show graduated, you'll notice that quite a few more agents since our last video have graduated from this platform, and we're going to talk about some of them, specifically NeoNet AI and AIDA. Let's check how many holders this has. So let's copy the contract address from Deck Screener. Let's go to Sui Vision, which is the top explorer in my opinion for the Sui network. Paste the contract address. Taking a look at Sui AI, you can see they now have over 13,000 holders, so that number has gone up quite a bit. I think it's definitely worth keeping an eye on this one, especially if it continues to bounce here, and if you keep the big picture in mind and compare it to the top overall AI agent launchpad in crypto, which is Virtual's protocol on Base blockchain, which has seen incredible growth, all the way up to around 5 billion market cap, currently sitting at 3.5 billion. If the Sui AI platform can capture some of that success, then there could be some room for growth. Not financial advice, just what I'm looking at based on what's happening on other blockchains. Phantom Wallet integrating Sui blockchain is going to be a major catalyst for all ecosystem tokens, including AI, DAO, and meme coins. Not to mention Backpack Wallet is also integrating Sui. So those are two major catalysts to keep in mind as you're analyzing Sui ecosystem tokens. You can only imagine what might happen when Phantom and Backpack users have easy access to Sui ecosystem tokens. All right, shifting gears, let's talk about some new projects, specifically DAO.SUI and SuiDeFAI. The AI DAO narrative has been growing on other chains like Solana and Base, and now it's coming to Sui. And so let's start by talking about DAO.SUI. It says DAO.SUI shapes a new era of investing in AIDA and meme coins, the first DAO fund platform built on Sui network. Shape the new era of investing, empowering communities to create and manage decentralized hedge funds. So DAO.SUI, DAOS, is the governance token for the platform, and it looks like this is the first DAO created on it, AI 1000. Taking a look at the chart on Deck Screener for DAO.SUI token, you can see that this thing had a pretty good run up to about 8 million, had a big pullback it looks like yesterday, but it seems to be settling around 4.23 million market cap. Pretty good liquidity and strong volume. Let's see how many holders this has. So let's copy the contract address, go to Sui Vision, paste it in, you'll find DAO.SUI token. You can see it's approaching 3,800 holders, and it's just over 8 days old. All right, so this is the docs for the DAO.SUI platform. I'll scan through this real quick, but I encourage you to read it if you are interested in this project or any of the DAOs it produces. A DAO fund is a specific type of DAO focused on investing and fundraising. It pools resources from members, strategically investing those funds, and distributes returns proportionally to stakeholders. This model has become increasingly popular in Web3 space as a decentralized alternative to traditional venture capital. Let's take a look at AI 1000, which is the first DAO on DAO.SUI. It says AI 1000 is the first ultimate AI agent built from Whale Framework. Whale Framework is like an AI framework that's customizable. An automated fund utilizes real-time data and on-chain analysis to optimize profits for users. More than a tool, AI 1000 marks a new era in AI and blockchain. So you have the charts here. Then if you click on assets, it'll show the DAO balance, all the tokens it owns. Right now it owns the governance token DAOs and its own token, AI 1000. Here's the net asset value. And so my understanding is that stakeholders will get paid out based on their proportion that they hold of the underlying token if it makes money. So DAO.SUI is one I would keep an eye on going forward. All right, sticking with DAO projects on SUI, next up is SUI DAOs, Raise Money, Trade AI, the best hedge fund manager on SUI by Raiden X. We talked about Raiden X in our last video. It's a trading bot platform for SUI ecosystem tokens. So they're the team behind SUI DAOs. The first one is SroomAI DAO, which we'll take a look at in a second, but first let's see how it works. Fundraising, creators have 7 days to reach their target SUI amount. This process serves as a fair launch for the DAO token, ensuring all participants acquire tokens at the same price. Creators determine who can participate in the pool party round, with invites potentially shared via their Telegram, X, or community platforms. Number 2, trading. When fundraising succeeds, after the fundraising period, creators allocate 90% of the raised SUI to invest in their chosen SUI protocols. The remaining 9% is used to launch the DAO token on an AMM, where its price varies based on trading activity. Once launched, you're free to sell your DAO tokens at any time. Number 3, fund expiration. At the fund's expiration, the DAO wallet is frozen, and any profits in SUI are distributed among token holders. You can choose to burn your DAO tokens to claim the underlying assets, or trade them on the curve at any time. Number 4, what is carried interest? Carried interest refers to the share of the fund's profits allocated to the DAO creator after the fund expires, typically 1 year. The creator only earns carried interest if the fund achieves its minimum return, known as the hurdle rate, within that time frame. Number 5, can I sell the DAO token anytime? Yes, as long as the DAO token's market cap exceeds the initial fundraising amount. Number 6, what happens if the creator doesn't meet the fundraising goal in a week? If the fundraising goal isn't met, you can redeem your SUI investment in full. So it's basically a fair launch platform for DAOs. This is the first one, SroomAI DAO. So currently sitting at a 10 million market cap. The fund expires November 1st, 2026. Taking a look at SUI DAOs on X, it says Raise Money, Trade AI, the best hedge fund manager on SUI by Raiden X. Quickly scrolling through this, you can see that they have a staking mechanism, it looks like. They have a MEXC listing, it looks like, already for SroomAI, which is pretty impressive. They've integrated SUIAT wallet, I'm sure, in addition to the SUI wallet. Let's take a look at SroomAI DAO on Dex Screener. This thing ran up to over a 20 million market cap, pulled back quite a bit to 10. Looks like it's finding the floor, we'll see. Pretty good liquidity, decent 24-hour volume. Let's see how many holders it has. 42,000 holders, and it's 5 days old. Take a look at the holder distribution. Let's click on holders. Actually looks really good. Nobody holding over 1%. Taking a quick look at their X profile. SroomAI DAO, the first AI hedge fund for AI project investments on SUI. One thing I always like to do is search for the actual ticker symbol on Twitter. And just searching through top posts gives you an idea of the overall sentiment about whatever token you're looking at, in this case, SroomAI, just to see if it's positive overall or negative, to see if people are actually talking about it. And so just scanning through this, it looks like there is quite a bit of chatter about SroomAI, which is a good sign. But definitely use this method, whether you're looking at meme coins or AI agents or any token. SUI DAOs, it looks like, is more focused specifically on AI agent plays on SUI in terms of the DAOs that are going to be created on here. And the fact that the team behind it is Raiden X, I think makes it worthwhile for sure keeping an eye on going forward, especially if this DAO narrative continues to gain momentum throughout crypto. You're going to want to keep an eye on what this produces, in my opinion. Next up, SuiDeFAI. This is another AI DAO DeFi project. It says AI powered DAO crowd intelligence in DeFi. Ticker symbol SUID. We'll call it SUID. This thing ran all the way up to around 1.6 million. Market cap pulled back to about 740K at the moment, but it has pretty good volume, good liquidity. And again, this falls in that growing narrative that we're seeing on Solana and Base, and now SUI, of DAOs and DeFi and AI combining to form kind of a new category. You can see this has over 1,200 holders and it's 5 days old. SuiDeFAI integrates DeFi and AI to form an AI-powered DAO driven by crowd intelligence. Here's how it works. So if you're interested, you can dive into this graphic and read through this to see how it works. They're verified on CoinGecko. So here we are, their site. Looks like we have to click this button to go into it. This is kind of interesting. Old school style computer layout. Let's click on white paper. SUID integrates decentralized finance and artificial intelligence to form an AI-powered DAO driven by crowd intelligence. So I would read through this if you are interested in this project. And And then they have a dApp coming soon. I would guess that would be the platform for the DAOs, similar to the other two we looked at earlier. So this is definitely an interesting project. Again, fits in the overall narrative of DeFi and AI coming together. Next up, we'll take a look at one of my personal favorite AI agents on Sui AIDA. Sui powered AI to facilitate the onboarding of retail onto Sui. This is over 3,400 followers now. And in my opinion, the posts that this puts out are among the best in terms of just quality information about Sui, everything going on within the Sui network. Taking a quick look at the chart, this ran up to almost 7 million market cap, pulled back to 3. Seems to be settling, finding a floor here. Really good looking site. Says the ultimate AI bot on Sui. Experience the perfect blend of engagement and education as you explore Sui network with your AI companion. AIDA, over 4,300 holders and almost a month old. Based on quality of an AI agent, I really like it personally, not financial advice, but this is one I would definitely keep an eye on going forward. All right, last one we're going to take a look at is NeoNet AI, decoding the DeFi landscape on Sui, championing blockchain scalability and pushing for financial freedom with a locked 10% token supply for a decade. NeoNet Agent has been spotlighting Sui's surge from DEX volume spikes to new trading platforms and celebrity endorsements. So this one, similar to what I said about AIDA, posts really good content that's informative. You can see here they have a partnership with IncyDex. IncyDex is a top analytics tool on Sui for meme coins, AI agents, all tokens within the ecosystem. I've touched on this in other videos. So let's dive into this pin tweet from January 12th. We're thrilled to announce our collaboration with IncyDex to build NeoNet Agent powered by IncyDex Advanced Data Layer. Soon I'll be able to provide real-time security checks and actionable insights for the Sui ecosystem. This partnership is dedicated to helping Sui degens uncover the truth behind every project and building a safer, more transparent blockchain community. Stay tuned. This is just the beginning. So I definitely think this is a significant partnership with IncyDex and worth taking into account when analyzing NeoNet AI. It's now verified on FlowX, verified on 7K Aggregator, listed on CoinGecko. Let's take a look at their website. It says make a decision, choose a pill. We'll go with the red pill. You've taken the first step to escape the crypto matrix. NeoNet AI is here to guide you, decoding markets, freeing minds, and empowering you to take control of your financial future. Let's break the system together. So NeoNet is definitely one to keep an eye on, and I think we'll use this one in the example next of making a trade on Raiden X. Here we are on Raiden X, which is a top trading bot platform for Sui ecosystem tokens. We talked about this in the last video. Very similar to BullX on Solana. They just recently added this multi-chart feature, which is nice. It's going to show you charts of all the open positions that you currently have. You can see I'm down bad on most of them, but this is a really nice addition. Let's go back to trending, and this is a great way to see what's hot within the ecosystem. Sort this by 24 hour, 6 hour, 1 hour, all the way down to 5 minutes. They also have Fun Zone, where you can see all the new tokens coming off of the fair launch sites like Turbos Fun, Hop Fun, as well as SuiAI. And you have new pairs to monitor the latest tokens in the ecosystem. In this example, we use NeoNet. Since I already have a position in it, I'll add to it just to show you how this works. So you can see my average buy price for NeoNet AI, and you can see the buy options over here. Pretty simple. You can do a market order, which is going to go through right away, or you can set limit orders, right, to say buy it if it drops to a certain price. Same thing with sell orders. You can use limit sell to set a stop loss. You don't have to be glued to your screen to trade these. In this example, we'll just use a buy market order just to show you how quick it is, and we'll just say 50%. I don't have a ton of Sui in this wallet, so it's going to buy that much Sui worth of NeoNet AI. Go ahead and click buy. And you can see it went through that quickly. And you can see we now have 13,000 NeoNet AI tokens. It makes trading Sui ecosystem tokens super fast. Sui already is fast. This makes it even quicker. It eliminates the need to have to go out to a DEX. You can do it all on one platform. And so if you're interested in something like this, then I recommend checking out Raiden X. So in my opinion, all the infrastructure is in place for Sui to handle a huge influx of volume from Solana Base and other chains, great DEX aggregators, trading bots, a strong community with great meme coin projects, a growing AI narrative with launchpads, DAOs, AI agents, DeFiAI. And so if we do see some of that rotation come in from Solana and Base with the upcoming Phantom Wallet and Backpack Wallet integration, then I think it's a good idea to be paying attention to what's happening within the Sui ecosystem so you're prepared if and when that does happen. All of the tokens I talked about today are highly risky. Please keep that in mind and do your own research. This is not about trying to promote any single token. This is about just showing you what I'm looking at, and hopefully it could be helpful in some way to you as you go through your progressions of analyzing AI and meme coins on Sui. Thank you for taking time to watch this video. Hopefully it was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.